Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Obi Vanessa. So I did this hair in my previous video, and if you haven't seen it, I'll link the video right up there so that you can watch and learn how I achieved this look. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off with foundation, my Milani foundation and my NRX foundation. I've forgotten the shade, but I know that this is not what I do usually. So yeah, I'm just going to fast forward at this point just so that you could just watch the whole process. The OGs in this on this channel already know the process.
Tell me you love me, you don't. No, you don't. If you love me, you stop. If you love me, you stay. Yes, you stay. Show me the way to your heart, cause you've been gone from the start. Yes, you've been. I need to know what we're doing. Baby, you don't. Show me you care. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Baby, you don't. It's in my heart. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I need to know. I need to know. I need to know. I need to know. You need to say. You need to say. You need to say. You need to say. Say. Baby, you don't. Show me you care.
Now I'm going to apply my Sleek and Ellie Girl concealers on the highest points of my face, under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, chin, and the top of my lip. I like the warmness of this concealer because I have red undertones, so this actually does something for me in terms of complexion. I'm also going to be using the Ellie Girl concealer. It's way lighter, and I'm going to use that to brighten my under eye. This whole tutorial is like a full glam, but without some other things, because it's like a back to school kind of makeup. You don't want to look too extra with it. Okay, that's me placing it on the lids, on my eyelids, because I'm going to place a little bit of eyeshadow there. I'm going to be blending with this brush. It's from Real Techniques. I know it's not usual for me to blend with brushes, but this does the job. As you can see, I also blended the concealer all over my nose, and that is for a reason. I'm using Chiater Buttercup banana powder. Yeah, the shade is banana powder. And I'm not going to be baking. I'm just going to apply a little bit and then bake on top of it. That way you avoid the really powdery look, and then it sets better.
Deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before. Ooh, oh. Tell me you love me, you don't. Tell me you love me, you don't. No, you don't. If you love me, you stop. If you love me, you stay. Yes, you stay. Show me the way to your heart, cause you've been gone from the start. Yes, you've been.
If you see, I also set the my eyebrows, because usually I don't do the foundation and concealer first.
You don't know, you don't know, you don't know, baby, you don't. It's in my heart. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Right now I'm using the contour powder. I think this is Avor powder in the shade number 5. It's slightly, I think it's one shade darker than my own skin color. So that's what I'm going to use to contour the parts of my face where the concealer aren't.
You don't show me you care. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Baby, you don't deserve my heart. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
So now I'm going this reverse contouring with my Sacha Buttercup powder. You know it has this warm yellow undertone, so it fits my chest properly. And instead of like, using a translucent powder or something, I just use this one because the color matches my chest perfectly.
Yes, we've been here before. Baby, this is deja vu. A deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before.
Now I'm going to be going to my LA Pride contour and highlight palette. I'm going to be using the finishing powder, that shade, for all over my face because right now we're looking a little bit crazy and we have to, put everything right. Now we're going to be going into my V Girls Night Out blush palette, and I'm going to be using the peach shade. I wasn't really sure what shade to use, but I decided the peach shade would do it because, high school, college kind of makeup. One thing, this brush was actually really damp, and it led me to the hack that you could actually use a damp brush to apply your blush. It actually looks more natural when you do it that way as opposed to it being in a total powder form. Applying with a damp brush actually does a whole lot of good, just like your highlighter.
Baby, this is deja vu. Deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before. Tell me you love and you don't. Tell me you love and you don't. No, you don't.
Okay, now we're going to the highlight palette, Miss Rose highlight palette, and we're going to be using that gold silvery color. It's kind of like a light gold. I'm going to put that at the highest points of my face.
Baby, you don't show me you care. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Baby, you don't.
At this point, I'm feeling myself, okay? Nobody can tell me nothing at this point. So now we're going to contour and snatch this nose to the gods. I am going to be going back into that powder palette. I'm going to be going back into the eyeshadow palette, Avoir Starry Eye palette. I'm going to use a brown red-ish shade. I feel like that's more natural. It looks more like a bronzer, like a Morphe bronzer. Okay, right now, a break. A good break. A tasty break. Now I'm going to be doing my brows, and this is the reason why I set it with that Sacha Buttercup powder, so that it would not glide like on an oily skin, but go better on like a dry surface. The foundation makes your skin a little bit more dewy than it actually is. I'm just powdering my face at this point. Setting all that concealer again. I'm blending them out. Okay, now I'm applying mascara to the tops of my lashes and my bottom lashes too.
While you were turning around, baby, this is crazy. Why are we fighting now? We've been here before, baby, this still crazy. Baby, this is deja vu, deja vu. I know we've been here before, yes, we've been here before. Baby, this is deja
Okay, I'm done with all of that. I'm just going to use a brown, any brown eyeshadow color will do to contour the eye, make you look like you have, you know, how do I explain it? A brow bone kind of situation.
Yes, you stay. Show me the way to your heart, 'cause you've been gone from the start. Yes, you've been. I need to know what we're doing. Baby, you don't show me you care. You don't.
I'm just setting my face with the aloe vera setting spray. Or we, I don't know, but it's a China product and I really, really like it. I'm pressing in the spray with my brush just so that everything sets nicely on my face. Now I'm going to line my lips with brown pencil. It's the same pencil that I used for my brows. You can use any brown pencil of your choice. I heard that the MAC, is it Cork, is really good. I'd like to try that one day. But for now, it's the good old Davis pencil that I have. And that's what I'm using to line my lips.
This is crazy. Why are we fighting now? We've been here before, baby. This still crazy. Baby, this is deja vu. Deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before. Baby, this is deja vu. Deja vu.
I'm going to be taking my pink lipstick from Classic Makeup, and you can use any pink lipstick of your choice. I was just trying to get like a nude shade that matched my skin tone. I'm also going to be adding the LA Girl concealer that I used at first for the under of my eyes. That will give it that nude shade, but the pink will be peeking through. Blend it with my lips. And then I'm going to be adding this very shiny, I don't even know what this is. This is like a highlighter or I don't know, but it's shiny and it's pretty and that's all I need to know. I'm just going to be applying it on my lips with some gloss. It made everything extra shiny. If you don't have it, you can just use your regular highlighter.
Baby, this is deja vu, deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes, we've been here before. Baby, this is deja vu, deja vu. I know we've been here before. Yes,
now I'm going back into my highlighter for my inner corners. You know, we want it to pop. We don't have lashes on, we don't have eyeshadow on, like we don't have many eyeshadow or a lot of eyeshadow on, so we have to make the eyes pop, and the highlighter just does just that. I'm also applying on my nose, and because this ain't the ghetto, we're wearing some earrings. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you had a nice time, because I did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. The big large subscribe button there, just tap on it, tap on the bell, the notification bell, and you can like and comment.